Jumanji. I was just looking at this. I put that on and it's like very quiet. Some nerve. Some interesting glasses there. It's a spline. Interesting.
The PS4 and an Xbox 360.
How much is your PS4?
$20.
Okay. Do you have any other attachments for it? And wires?
That's it.
And it works?
Yeah.
All right, I'll take it for 20 if it works. This is interesting here. Some kind of roll machine, I guess. It might mount on the wall. Alright, so I didn't think I could videotape this garage sale, but I already bought some stuff here. So I thought I'd just videotape it for posterity. But they have some good prices here. You have to ask for stuff too, and they're whipping it out. I mean, look at all these coffee pots and stuff. George Foreman grill. An old VHS rewinder. I'm telling you, people just don't want to throw them out. I got some bicycles. That's it. Alright, so this is it's challenging to get this garage sale. Look at that thing. It's an old school saw. This angle. Here's a heat gun. $1 I'll buy, but I doubt that. Doubt this. How much is your heat gun?
Honey, the heat gun?
$20. I just bought it, brand new.
How much is your cutoff saw?
I'm not selling that.
You're not selling that? Oh, okay.
I'm sorry.
It looked tempting. Lawnmower if you want 1800. This off. The desk is kind of quaint. I like the igloos. A ton of them. They're a little pricey here though. I got one in my garage. Haven't used it yet. In the house. Igloos. Okay, I just got one of these for $1.
Like 5 times. So it's pretty new. Tires need going up because it hasn't been working.
Get it right, get it right.
Oh wow, this is a good.
I know, don't let anybody.
This is an awesome item. It's a little too old for me though. That'd be $2.
Does it still work?
This is something interesting. It looks like it's a DVD. I like the briefcase though. It's a cool briefcase.
No, don't give me a quarter.
It's pretty awesome. It's a nice soft bag too. $7 worth. I mean, I'll probably never use it, but yeah, it's DVD. But that could be a nice little office bag. I mean, here we got DVD player and DVD screen of it. Yeah. So it's a nice bag. Just microwave coffee pots. Speakers, maybe, yeah. There's speakers. This is a gambling table, but see, that's what happens when you fold it. There's this, with that ugly crease. It's diaper disposal. These are pretty interesting. These are LED lights, but they're a weird design. Hello. Interesting set too. This looks like an estate sale. That's just like the leftover of an estate sale. That's what it is because everything is very expensive. Is there more for sale inside? No? Okay.
As we get around to dragging it out.
I hear you. I'm looking for any yard tools, like any edgers, any 40-volt Ryobi stuff.
No.
No?
No.
Okay.
This is somebody have a steel.
Steel?
Yeah. All the tools I did with this morning.
Yeah, I bet. Yeah. Interesting. How much is your ladder?
40. There's a case right there with it.
Oh, okay.
It was used once with my people.
I hear you. It's interesting. This is interesting. See, these nice little bags. Nice little bags. But we're going to get to use the little bags and everything. And that's the electronics. That's it. Alright, so we have an estate sale here. This is a Red Barn estate sale. So I'm looking at a videotape in the garage. But I will walk into the house without videotaping. So, interesting stuff here. I like that. You want, I think it's at $400. It's too much. This is cool. Let's see. I need a weed whacker. That's what I need. Because my other weed whackers died. There's a ton of these for sale today. I got two of them for $5. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one with big torque. The ones I got were like a little smaller than that. But 2 for $5, that's not too bad.
So, what is the process for setting up one of these sales?
Process? You're not gonna have them. I'm gonna work in the day.
Okay. All right, I'll go after. I'll go after.
Yeah.
It's good for trimming like bushes. Talking about setting up a Red Barn estate sale for someone buying a generator. Huh? It's 8,000 watts.
Yeah, this is a.
With the guy you
Oh, you bought that?
Yeah.
And that's too heavy for me.
600. It's not too bad. It's 8,000 watt. Dual fuel. It's nice.
Okay.
Thank you.
It's almost retail though. So I don't know if I want to pay retail for it. But it looks like it's in great condition. Alright. So here's a slime. Good for cars. I need plugs for the car. Or I go to Walmart and spend $3 or $4, or maybe it's other $5. It's a bicycle tie. I always need these because I always lose mine, but I know where mine is now. $3. See, they're charging a lot more than I would be able to stomach to charge the price. So. Even stuff I'd be slightly interested in. Unless it's really expensive stuff like pool supplies or
I need to put a sign.
electronics.
Oh, we do $1 each. We have it. Good.
See, they got a orbit. Looks like just like mine.
That they're $1 each. But,
No, that's an older one. That's newer. That's it, really. I just want to check on the inside. That's it. Alright, so this is a bonus garage sale. It looks like the best garage sale of the day. Look at all these little cars here. So you have a Bentley, BMW, AMG, and a Land Rover. It's pretty awesome. What's this one? Eurus? Oh, Eurus. Look at these scooters, man. I mean, look at this one with the double lights on it. Oh, obviously they want, yeah, $1,300, $1,400 for it. What a cheap car for that price. I mean, come on. These are electric. Wow. You probably only get about 20 mile range. So that's the problem with a 20-mile range. It's like you get the Fort Myers Beach and back, but you can't do anything on Fort Myers Beach. And these things are too heavy to lift to a car, so you have to have a bike rack to put in the back of the car. So you're better off getting a smaller scooter. This garage sale, man, they're loaded with good stuff. Look at this tool chest too. How much is your tool chest? It's nice. He has this felt. I should put this in mine. How much is your tool chest?
This is 125.
125? Okay. Well, this is someone's business. You can only do so many garage sales to keep part of it. Okay. It's awesome stuff. Hold on, we gotta buy some cosmetics here. Oh, the shoes. Wow. Someone must own the store or something. So I found a remedy to cure cataracts. And it's a weird remedy. And it seems to work. And you put it on at night, you wake up in the morning. And I'm not going to tell you the full remedy because I'm still testing it, but look at these shirts here too. But the remedy to cure the eyes starts with not menthol, but not peppermint, but it's the petroleum jelly. It's like menthol petroleum jelly. But I'm not going to tell you the other ingredient because it's the other ingredient that actually extracts the gook from your eye. That stuff just seeps in at night. It penetrates the eye. And it gets into the lens of the eye. And then you wake up the next morning and you put this other stuff on it, and it seems to extract the stuff like in goo. I guess it is menthol. But I'm still doing research on that. I have a real estate aspect of my life. I have pharmaceuticals, and I have garage selling. The shirts are nice, but most of them are all soccer related. I'm really looking for something that's basic. I like this diver down look though. Assist card. They're all small too. I need some. If I get a plain shirt, I just can't have white though. Because white, I like black shirts myself. Let's see. See a lot of advertising on these shirts. I see an AT&T shirt over there. That's interesting. I used to work for AT&T, but He's a contractor. Almost got a job with him, but they were gonna offer me too low of a pay, and I said, forget it. So these shirts. Oh, man. You could wear a shirt and just throw it in the garbage after you're done with it. That's about it. All right, recap. Today was a fantastic day. I could have spent an extra $160 easy. I could have bought an i7 Dell laptop computer that was only 3 years old for $130 plus an extended monitor for an additional $20. So that would have been $150. And then someone was selling a Kahlua bottle for $5. I could have got two, which is coffee plus rum. I could have got two 1 liter bottles of Kahlua coffee for $5 each. They were saying it's a contribution. You're not actually buying the alcohol. But yeah, easy. And I could have spent more too. Had to held back. Let me go over the purchase. So I got this all-in-one Dell. It's about 5 years old. It's an i7. It had its windows wiped, which is a little disappointment, but I could reload it, but I'd have to get a license key for it. I think I might just load Ubuntu server on it instead. So I got this for $130. So I spent a lot. I mean, unbelievable. I can't believe I spent that much, but the system seemed fast, and I have an all-in-one PC that's slowly turning, so I have to sell that. So this is more of an upgrade. Not really an upgrade, because the one I have is an i7, but, and to tell you the truth, this one could be 10 years old. I don't know, but this one seems to run better. It doesn't have 4K graphics. It just has the standard 2K, which is what I have on my computer inside. So it's not really an upgrade. It's a lateral. It's a replacement, but it's an i7. That one inside's an i7. So I'm gonna sell the i7 for 100 or whatever I can get for it. So anyway, that was 130. Let's go over to other purchases. I got a PS4 for $20. I don't know if you can see it there, but it came with the PS4. There's just one power cord and a controller and a game. So that was all $20. So I'm gonna try to resell that for, I don't know. I mean, I'll push 150, but I'll sell for whatever I get, as close to 150 as I can. And then the earphones I got there, I got for $1. They're really good muffle ones. So if I'm on the range, or if I'm just mowing my yard and I want to muffle the sound, they work excellent. I got two of those cutoff saws. They're both plug-in. They both work. I tested them already. Both of them for $5. So we're up to 130 plus 20, 150, 155, 156. And then I got a ladder for $40. I tried to get it for $30, but they wouldn't go. So I got that for $40. So $196. I can't believe I spent that much today. Today was a phenomenal day. I thought today was actually lacking because it was only about 20 garage sales out there, but it turned out to be an excellent day, and I could have spent more. That's the thing. All right, well, hopefully better luck next weekend.